Here's how to download songs on your iPhone. Now head into Safari or Google Chrome. It doesn't really matter. We're going to use a web browser to download royalty-free or copyright-free songs. Now there are a bunch of different websites to be able to do this, but I personally prefer Pixabay. So just go to pixabay.com. It has a ton of free songs that you can download, and then you can even set them as ringtones on your iPhone. I'll show you how to do that as well. Now on here, let's get to the songs by tapping the 3 lines and then get to music. If I scroll down from here, you can see a bunch of songs. I can tap on that little play button and it will play that song and I'll be able to decide, do I like that? Do I want to download this? If I do, you can see that little download arrow. I'll show you where it downloads it onto your iPhone because it's not always super clear. So let's tap on that down icon, and you usually have to tap on it a couple times here. And then there you go. It says, do you want to download this MP3? You can see whatever it is, .mp3. So it's a music or an audio file. Instead of hitting view, which will essentially just open it up in a new tab, we're going to tap on the download button here. Now you can see at the bottom left is super quick, but it has a little down arrow indicating it has been downloaded. However, now let's find it, and maybe you wanted to add it to Spotify or use it as a ringtone on your iPhone. You can do all of those things. So to find it, let's swipe over the app library and search for the Files app and open it up. Now, once you're in the Files app, we're going to tap a couple times on Browse. You can see if I tap a couple times on here, it just brings me back to the general locations. You can see iCloud Drive on my iPhone and recently deleted. Now, almost always in Safari, as well as Google Chrome, it just empties it into the downloads folder on your iPhone. So to get there, we'll tap on my iPhone and then downloads. And there is that song. I can tap on it. Just tap on it to hit play if I wanted to listen to it again. However, in this case, you probably wanted to do something with it. So tap on the share icon at the bottom right. And now if I scroll down, you can see at the very bottom, I can hit use as ringtone. And I can even set this up so that saved files, MP3 or song files, are brought into Spotify if I wanted to as well. Just search on my channel for a video on how to do that.